I'm Leah from Jersey Drinks, here with my friends at ShopRite, and today we're talking about the Hugo Spritz. Most recently, this cocktail was named the It Drink of Summer, but it's actually been around since the early 2000s. This cocktail was created as a lighter, brighter alternative to its slightly bitter Italian cousin, the Aperol Spritz. I find this cocktail as the perfect seasonal transitional sipper between summer and fall. Coming together with just a few simple ingredients, we're going to be using flavors of bright juicy lemon, fresh mint, and an elderflower liqueur. First things first, we're gonna wanna head down to our local ShopRite and pick up a few ingredients. We're gonna grab some fresh lemons, a bunch of fresh mint, and of course, our bowl and basket club soda. We're gonna also be using your favorite bottle of bubbly, a base spirit of vodka or gin, which also works beautifully in this light floral cocktail, as well as an elderflower cordial. This ingredient is extremely easy to find online and is a non-alcoholic alternative to an elderflower liqueur, and also a little bit more budget-friendly to keep in your refrigerator to make a Hugo Spritz at the ready. We're gonna start off first by using 1 ounce of our elderflower cordial. We're gonna be building this right into our glass. We're gonna go ahead and follow this up with a couple of fresh mint leaves right into our glass and give this a nice light stir to gently release the aromas from your mint. Being careful not to break your glass. I'm gonna set that down and move over and go ahead and cut up our lemon. My mantra is fresh is always best when we're crafting cocktails. So next we're gonna be adding half of a fresh lemon, squeeze right into our glass. Make sure you're getting all those delicious juicy flavors. And next we're gonna be adding our base spirit. Again, today we're using vodka, but you can absolutely use gin or even have some fun with tequila. We're gonna be adding 1 ounce right into our glass. If you're opting for a lower ABV version, you can just go ahead and skip this step and get caught up with us as we add some ice. Next, we're gonna be adding a couple of fresh ice cubes right into our glass. And next we're gonna be topping this off with a little bit of your favorite bubbles. My tip to the perfect pour, tilt that glass a little bit to the side and you'll avoid overfilling your glass with those bubbles. Go ahead and set that down. I like to finish this off with a little bit of my bowl and basket club soda. And if you're opting for a completely mocktail, spirit-free version, you can simply just replace that bubbles of your Prosecco and fill the glass to the top with that bowl and basket club soda. Next, we're gonna take that bar spoon again, gently stir to combine all of our ingredients. And no cocktail is complete without its final accessories, our cocktail garnish. For this, we're gonna be pulling in those mints and lemons that we used to create our cocktail. Grab a fresh sprig of mint, give that a little slap on your hand to brighten up those aromas so you continue to get that beautiful fresh mint smell as you sip. And we're going to be grabbing a lemon wheel. Let's top it off. And here we have our Hugo Spritz. Perfect for a party of one or to create as a picture recipe when you're entertaining for your friends and family. If you like this recipe, follow along for more. Cheers.